Hi Sunshine, welcome back to our channel. I'm TaylorAnne.
And I'm LoriAnne.
And together we are MADCURLS. And welcome to another hashtag Treatment Tuesday. Another MADCURLS video. This is a Treatment Tuesday video. By now I think you guys should know what Treatment Tuesday is. But just in case they don't.
Just in case they don't and you're new,
and you're
welcome
new.
If you're new. But if you are not, you guys know that Treatment Tuesday is the day that we set aside to treat our hair. Do special treatments other than just kind of like conditioners and rinse outs or conditioners and leave-ins. We kind of like do deep treatments on this day, whether it's a deep conditioner or whether it's a hot oil treatment, or I think last week I did the henna kind of mask thing, or we do masks. So it's just a day where we kind of give our hair that little extra special touch.
A little extra something. So this Treatment Tuesday, if you've been like with us for a while, like you know, I don't really do protein. And so we are doing Camille Naturals, but we're not doing the ones you'd expect us to do as far as like us.
Right.
So,
you know, I'm the protein girl.
Yeah.
But you are noticing some lack of elasticity in your hair today.
Yeah. I was like, it needs protein.
And since I did the heavy duty kind of like henna last week, I figured maybe stay away from protein, though that's never really kind of like my thing. You know, that never keeps me away from protein. But I just figured since we're going to do Camille Rolls, let me try the moisturizing one. Yeah.
So we have her Around the World collection. We have two of them. We got this one from New York Fashion Week, I believe, last year, and then I bought this from Sally's like a couple of months ago.
Right.
But these are their. This is from her Around the World collection. I have the Nangai and oh wow, I probably should have read how to like pronounce
Tsubaki. It looks like it would
Tsubaki.
be.
Okay.
Yes.
Strength and Restore, and this is the protein treatment.
And I have the Oud, is it Oud or is it OUD? Like, I don't know. Rich Infusion Moisture Treatment. So this is the moisture one. That's the protein one.
That's the protein one.
And there's one more that's pink, and I think it's the cholesterol.
Yeah, we don't have that one.
Yeah, if anyone has it, what is cholesterol for?
Let us know.
Yeah, even if I saw it in the store, I don't know if I would have picked it up because what do you use cholesterol for?
What's it for? Yeah.
Okay.
But I know I've put this in a few videos basically saying I would never try this because I hate the way it smells, and I still stand by what I said. I said what I said. I say what I say. It smells horrible. It smells awful. But I need protein,
really
so I'm going for it.
To know, because since you were struggling with your hair and you felt like you need protein, I felt like there were a ton of better proteins. Even if we did a repeat treatment today, I felt like, why are you reaching for Camille Rolls? Like, I haven't heard anything about it, good, bad, or indifferent.
I did read some reviews on Sally's, and it has a lot of 5 stars. It does have 5-star reviews, but then it has some 4, 3, 2.
What about this one?
Girl, you're supposed to look up your own, girl.
Girl, I didn't.
Girl, I didn't look up yours.
So I repeat the question. What about this one?
Girl, I don't know. But I know, we did hear people talking about, people were like, you know, no one's really jumping out the window about these collections, like, in general.
Yeah.
So,
this was their Around the World.
When we say we'll be right back, we'll look it up and see what people say about this.
I have to know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah. If you want to see us do these treatments, I'm doing the protein one, you're doing the moisture one, then
please keep watching.
Please keep watching. Okay. So, first things first. Water.
Why we sound all meek?
Right.
I'm afraid to say it. So, I said, my hair looks so good. I should have do a no product wash and go. Girl, this is that butter shampoo that I love.
So we looked up your deep conditioner, and it basically had mixed reviews on Sallys.com. Some people said it was the greatest thing ever. Some people said it wasn't worth the price. So yours is $17.99. How many ounces is this? This looks like what, about 8 maybe? Definitely no more than 8.
Let's see. I know it looks like
it is 8.
Yeah, it looks
8
like
ounces.
Standard 8 ounce.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's 8 ounces.
Somebody said it smelled wonderfully. It has the floral smell that I don't particularly care for. So these two smells today we're not raving about, but we are definitely interested. We love Camille. Yeah, it's just way too floral. Oh my gosh, it's just way too floral for me. I mean, I can even smell it through the packaging here. It's just, and I don't know why, because Camille Rolls, I love their scents. I love their bakery scents. No one does bakery the way Camille Rolls does it.
Well, based on their rollout and like their campaign around it, it was very tropical, like in like the jungle kind of thing. So maybe that's where all the flowers and stuff.
Okay.
And this smells like a relaxer.
Okay. Yeah, it does.
Oh, it's nice and thick though.
Okay.
Nice and thick. Okay.
Oh yeah, mine is too. Let me feel if yours goes in. Okay, yours is not even as thick as mine. Yours has thicker? Like a little, like yours can be pushed in. Mine definitely has to work to be pushed in. So, you know, but it is what it is. It's good to try different things. Sometimes your hair gets accustomed to different conditioners or,
this has slip.
You know.
This has slip.
Yeah. No, I'm telling you, like my hair is looking healthier and healthier because of all these different treatments and things that I'm doing.
Shedding and stuff, I'm not doing that.
This is coming off of a 6-day wash and go.
Yes.
With pattern pusher, and that really sustained me.
Yep, and mine was basically 6 days with the Camille Rose. I would definitely do that again. That took me through the whole week, that curl maker.
Yeah. So you guys saw us Friday night on live, whoever tuned in, and that at that point was 4 days, I think, pattern pusher. Then we did an additional 2 days, so today's Monday, and my hair was still looking great today. But again, we filmed Monday for treatment Tuesday, so I had to wash it out. But I lost, a little ball of hair, but it was 6 days.
My hair was very hard to detangle. I was stressing.
Yeah.
And then, like, when I was brushing it out, it was just like, I'm like, my hair has, like, no elasticity right now. I'm like, there's no bounce back. I'm like, I definitely need protein treatment. So I was like, let me get with that. And what I cleansed my hair with today, because I remember when we first used it, I was like, this really helped kind of like stop the breakage and the shedding in my hair. So I reached for the Curls, the green collection. I washed my hair with their Sea Kelp Curl Cleanser. And then I did their green tea hair rinse. Yeah. Okay. And they do have a mask and a protein leave-in, which you can like mix together to make a protein treatment. But we were kind of sticking with the Camille Rose Around the World theme. I'm like, and since it has a protein treatment.
This is very thick.
I'll do that.
Yeah, because I said to you, why don't you just continue on? Because I know we had fantastic results with that whole treatment, the whole system. To me, it's a little pricey unless you got it for Black Friday. And I think they were giving everything away for
$25.
Yeah, like all 5 pieces, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we always say every year we're going to be ready for Black Friday. I swear this year we're going to be ready.
Girl, we are?
I think we are.
But sometimes the best deals aren't even Black Friday.
They aren't.
Like, some of the deals throughout the year are better than
especially
Black
now we've
deal.
been finding.
Yeah, I'm like, people are like, what's going on Black Friday?
Okay, guys, I'm liking the way it's going through my hair already.
So it smells horrible in the jar. It's like a mixture of like relaxer and floral and flowers. It smells more like floral once it gets in your hair. But it has an amazing slip. Very nice slip.
Okay, so we didn't mention it. But again, we're going to be showcasing and parading around because we are now ambassadors.
Wheeling.
So wheeling our t-shirts out. T-shirts. Because I told you guys, I've been telling you in every video, I used to wear those busted J. Crew shirts that were getting more and more threadbare, so I had to come up with something new. Actually, I had to go back to Teespring and buy my MADCURLS logo ones in every color so that when we do videos, because I need to get a red one, a purple one, a rust-colored one. But anyway, until those purchases are made, this one today matched. I happen to have it. So this says, always speak your truth. This is Power and Black company. And we are ambassadors. So, and those that have been going there, you guys are buying like not only one, you're buying a few of them because you can't make up your mind, right? Like we are loving them. And you keep telling me, Maya, you keep talking about that boom box one, you have to wear it. And I'm like, I know I do. Because to me, it's just like old schools, a lot of old school, a lot of throwback things. So it's just a very cute company that we definitely support. And we're glad now that they allow us to support them.
Does your product have slip?
Yes, it does. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, oh, guys, like, look at this, the way it's going through.
My hair feels very shiny. It feels shiny. It looks shiny, and like the curls look nice.
When somebody, when we said we were going to come back and we were going to tell you what mine was going to do, when we were reading it, it said that it didn't have slip or didn't have that, but they weren't impressed. But I'm impressed.
Someone's review said it had like no slip.
Yeah, no, it does. You can see when.
And there was a review on mine and a review on yours that said it looked nice here, but when they came back, like their hair was completely tangled. Okay. And someone said that of mine and of yours. So we'll see.
While we were at it, we looked up the cholesterol, and from what we could gather, the word gather makes us laugh because one time Spencer, you guys know Spencer, if you don't, he's my oldest son. Spencer's just so, as we say, Spencerish. He's just so by the book, everything's by the book, and he always has like these specific words. And what was the issue when he was like, he had the nerve to say to his mother.
Yeah, I don't know. You did something. Maybe like you ate his food or something, but he said like, I gather or something.
And I'm like, you gather?
And you were just like mad.
He said, yeah. I'm like, you gather to your mother?
Or maybe like we had been cleaning all day and like you moved something like of his things or you did something and he was like, so I gather, and like you were just not the one. Because you had been like working. You've been working all day.
And he was getting all persnickety and Spencerish, and he like stood up there with like this attitude, you know, like when your kids get a little job, a little bit of money. He's like 25 years old and talk about some I gathered to his mother. I'm like, you gather? You gather? Let me tell you something about you gathering.
He's like, I gather. But you were gathering what?
I was
the
gathering
cholesterol treatment. I think
yeah, so we gathered that the cholesterol treatment was almost like a toss-up between the protein and the moisturizing treatment, because it kept stressing the moisture.
Yeah.
Though this one is the moisture.
And then it said repair dry brittle hair. Like,
yes.
And
you
know, strengthen.
And then it also said heat damage. So I don't know. I don't know
color
what
treated.
Yeah, I don't know what they're catering to. And when they say color treated, I don't necessarily gravitate towards color treated products, because our hair is not necessarily color treated, it's bleached. So it's almost like the opposite of being color treated. We're not adding color, we're almost like taking out.
Color
we're taking out. We are bleaching and taking out color. To me, color is anything from like, you know, browns, reds, you know, maybe purples or whatever people add to their hair these days. But bleaching to me is not color treated. To me, it's even harsher at times.
Definitely, yeah.
Right? Yeah. But the problem that I had when I color treat my hair, the time I color treated it red and I used oils, and you just start seeing how it just takes that out. Yeah. And I never knew that. And my stylist was like, you
snatched that color right out of your head.
It was so beautiful. It was so vibrant. It was so nice. Such a beautiful red. And within a month, it was black.
It was really dark.
It was black.
It was black.
Yeah.
Took the color right out.
I think I did it maybe in like October, and by New Year's Eve it was.
Because you were doing you got it color treated, and then you started doing the Jamaican Black Castor Oil challenge.
Yeah. Now it didn't necessarily come out in the shower. I didn't necessarily see red floating around the shower, but I started seeing my hair. It's almost like you see it, but you don't see it. It's like it can't be, can't possibly be, but.
Because red kind of fades fast anyway, but yours was just like, it was fading even faster.
Yeah, it wasn't even fading, it was just like gone.
Yeah, it was coming out.
Yeah.
I don't know what my red always faded to orange. Yours went like black.
And my natural color here is not black. I don't know what it was doing. It skipped its natural color. I don't know what it was doing.
It went like dark purple or something. I don't know. It was very dark though. It was very, very dark. I'm very happy that this has slip. Although it might not like its smell. If it does a good job, I might have to get past the fact that I don't like its smell.
This definitely has slip.
We could have had a gem here, sitting.
Sorry guys, I know I can't drink on set, but I have something in my throat and I have to drink on set.
On set. No drinking on set.
This room is hot and stuffy.
Girl, it's not hot and stuffy.
It is.
Okay, we're back.
All right,
hands
the
recovered.
drama.
The drama.
Hot, stuffy room. The noise you hear now is the air conditioning, as it should have been. Can't be saying these small,
it wasn't even hot.
quarters.
Before we started, like it was on. I had goosebumps. It was freezing in here.
Really?
It was freezing.
Hot.
Very, very cold.
It just like accumulates that heat. It's like once the house gets hot in the hotter weather, it just never cools down. I mean, it's hot and stuffy to me. Okay, and this has plenty of slip.
Yes, my hair feels very nice.
Yes, my hair feels wonderful.
I'm excited to be doing the protein treatment right now.
I can't wait to rinse this out. This looks fantastic.
Yeah, my hair looks really good too. Feels nice because it was definitely feeling busted today. Once I finally detangled it, it took me like forever. I was detangling forever today. And,
can you guys tell like when your hair is like healthy? Like a couple of months ago when we were all struggling with breakage and shedding hair and all that, the hair just didn't look as healthy, but it's just a nice cut. It's kind of like even, blunt, nice, healthy, thick at the ends, cute shape. It just looks healthy. So yes, that definitely had slip. I can't wait to rinse it out and see what it's going to do.
I think I'm going to use heat with mine.
Are you? Okay.
I think
what does mine?
Maybe. I don't know.
What does mine say to do?
I know I'm not overdoing it though, because this is protein and things get out of hand quickly with protein with me.
Okay, so let's see what mine says. Mine says how to use, apply an ample amount to dry or wet hair. Okay, to dry or wet hair. Leave on for 20 minutes. Let me see. Then cool rinse while detangling with a wide tooth comb for extra conditioning. Done on what is it? Yeah, don on a plastic cap and apply heat before rinsing out. Okay, follow with your favorite Camille Rose leave-in and seal moisture with OUD Rich Infusion Hair Oil. Okay, so we don't have the oils because each of these conditioners in that whole line came with oils. Yeah.
So mine says the same thing. We're just gonna leave it.
We're going to leave it. Do you think we should do heat?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't think it would kill us, right?
No.
What do you think?
No. All right. So we'll do some heat. I'll probably do heat and do it for like 10 minutes. I
Okay.
think, and then I'm gonna rinse it out.
Yeah, like I said, before you rinse it out, do heat. So maybe 10 minutes and then heat or something, or heat.
I don't know. It says 20 minutes, but again, like I don't. It's protein,
Right.
so I don't know.
Okay.
We'll figure it out and let you guys know what we ended up doing.
Okay, guys.
Okay. So
All right.
we'll see when we get back.
All right.
Okay. Bye. Then we are back. These are our results. So what we did was we just walked around for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
We didn't
Plastic caps.
Yeah, plastic caps. We didn't do heat or anything.
Nope.
So I really liked mine. Like going in, I thought, even though like you guys already know I don't like the way it smells, and that hasn't changed. The smell is still in my hair even after rinsing it out. But I thought it had amazing slip, and my hair like looked really good when the product was in my hair. When I rinsed it out, I immediately started to feel like my hair feel hard, and I got like really scared. I was like, oh my gosh, like is this the tangling and the hardness people are talking about? And then once I kind of like microfibered it and like dried it, I do feel like my hair is strengthened. It's not as soft as like say like a moisture treatment, but this is protein.
Okay.
So it's not as soft as I like my hair, but I do feel like my curls look really nice, and my hair definitely feels stronger. I think it's a good protein treatment.
Your curls do look nice.
Yeah, despite the smell of it, I think it's a good protein treatment.
Okay.
I think it's good.
All right.
So that's just my opinion. I'm glad I went with it. My hair needs some protein, so we'll see how my hair does as the days go on. We'll see.
All right, I think my hair looks defined, shiny, healthy. I've tried other moisture treatments. Moisture treatments aren't my favorite kind of deep conditioners. When I started rinsing my hair out, again, I have to say I felt kind of like my hair was hard. I didn't feel like the water was like going through my hair, the different layers, and it was feeling super soft. It was like kind of like melting away the deep conditioner. But at the end, these are the results. Is it something I would like reach for over and over again? No, but would I reach for it again? Probably so. But I don't think it would be my favorite moisture conditioner, but I think it did the job. My hair looked healthy, shiny, you know, put together. So it's decent. It's a decent moisture conditioner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think they're decent. They're decent treatments.
Yeah.
They're decent treatments.
I think they're decent treatments. I mean, like you've seen our expressions other weeks where we just raved over them like it's like nothing we've ever seen before. They've done the job. Let's put it that way. We're experienced enough to know that these are deep conditioners. They did what they said they were going to do. Is it something that's super outstanding? That just kind of like a wow factor? I don't think so. But I think that it did what it was supposed to do.
Yeah.
And that's what Treatment Tuesday is all about. Selecting a deep conditioner and getting it to do whatever we need it to do that particular week.
Yeah.
So I think it added some shine, some moisture.
I just think these smells need to get under control.
Yeah.
Because sometimes like products can smell really strong, but then it's like, oh, but when your hair dries, like you don't smell the smell doesn't linger. Like
Right.
Like I didn't know what to put on as far as clothes today because I didn't want that smell on my clothes.
Okay.
Like we rinsed this out and I still like smell it. And I did read that a few people said like it gave them like a headache, and I can kind of feel my head tingle. I can see that.
The protein one? Do you have a headache?
Yeah, like it's
Okay.
just the smell is very. I mean, yours is a lot of flowers too. I
Yes.
think that
You can smell the flowers.
yeah, it's just a lot of flowers in the room right now. A lot of floral scent.
Yeah.
But I do like the way my hair looks right now. So
I do too. I keep looking at it and it's growing on me.
yeah, I mean it's a deep.
Yeah.
It was a protein treatment, and so like I see my curlies back because like
Mm-hmm.
they were kind of pointy and stringy and just like there was no boing factor. So the only
Right.
thing that might hinder me from using this again is the scent. The scent
Okay.
the scent is a bit much.
Okay.
But I think
No.
if you're not into scents, I think they're good treatments.
Yeah. What do you guys think? You've seen our hair week after week deep conditioners. I think it looks good. I think it did the job. Hair's defined, therefore I feel it's moisturized, boing factor, all of that. Did the job.
Did
I'm not mad at it.
this curled
Okay.
it going back? I pulled it down. It stayed there. Yeah. My hair's going through a little bit right now.
Okay.
It's gonna be okay though.
Okay.
All right, so comment down below what you think about our treatments, if you've ever used them, what you think. And make sure if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Yep.
And we will see you in our next video.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.